Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve a simple mixing problem using Python. Suppose we mix a 10% salt solution with a 30% salt solution to produce 100 kilograms of a 25% salt solution. Our goal is to find how much of each stream is needed. Let's call the flow rate of the 10% stream M1 and the flow rate of the 30% stream M2. First, we write the overall mass balance. M1 plus M2 equals 100 because the total mass entering must equal the total mass leaving. Next, we write the salt balance. 0.10 M1 plus 0.30 M2 equals 25 because the final product contains 25 kilograms of salt in 100 kilograms of solution. Now, we have two equations and two unknowns. Instead of solving them manually, let's use Python. We create a matrix A containing the coefficients of the equations and a vector B containing the right-hand side values. Then, NumPy's linealg.solve function solves the system instantly. Run the code. And we get M1 equals 25 kilograms, M2 equals 75 kilograms. So, we need 25 kilograms of the 10% salt stream and 75 kilograms of the 30% salt stream to make 100 kilograms of a 25% salt solution. That's the power of Python for solving engineering problems quickly and accurately. If you're learning Python for chemical engineering, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more real engineering problems solved with Python. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.